What it do, word gang. Today we're gonna talk about what it took for me to turn my Jeep Wrangler JL into a mall crawler. Yes, you looking at it. This is a mall crawler. I'm gonna show you every mod I did to turn this bad boy from a regular Jeep into a mall crawler. You know, the most hated Jeep in the Jeep community. Let's get straight to it. Bow. It's your boy T-Light. Turned his Jeep into a mall crawler. First thing I did to turn my Jeep into a mall crawler is zoom in a little bit. I put an angry grill on that bad boy. You know this angry grill right here? The Jeep community cannot stand this grill right here, this angry grill. For some reason, every time I go to Jeep meets, they see this grill and they get disgusted. They always say, man, I would love your Jeep if you didn't have that angry grill on it. Well, guess what? You're just gonna be angry with me because I put the angry grill on it. That's the first mod I did. And also, man, I will leave a link in the description for all of these mods. I hope the sun ain't beaming on y'all because it's beaming on me. I will leave a link in the description for all the mods that I did on my Jeep. But bam, back to it. Like I said, yes, I did the angry grill, the most hated mod of all time. Also, while we up here, up close to it, I did the DV8 Hood, DV8 Heat Hood. And it's actually functional, as you can see. It's functional. I got rid of the regular Jeep hood. I had to get rid of that bad boy. I had to let it go. So yes, I definitely did that because I wanted a more aggressive look on my Jeep. I didn't want my Jeep to just be looking like everybody else's. But the bad thing about this hood is I've noticed that a lot of people starting to get this hood. Yes, I seen it. When I first got the hood, it wasn't that many people that had it, but now all of a sudden it's so many people that got it, man. I'm like, come on, man. Can a brother just shine? Can a brother shine without, you know, everybody getting what he got? Now, I'm not saying I had the hood first, but what I'm saying is in my area, I was the first one to have this hood on my Jeep. Now everybody want to get the same exact hood on their Jeep. And it's like, dang, man, can I shine without y'all copy bite my style a little bit? But at the same time, it's appreciative, you know. I know you like what you see. But next off, what I got is this bumper. I got rid of my regular stock bumper. As you know, the stock bumper is, I think it's trash, but it also looks good because I rode the stock bumper for a little while. You know, I just recently got this bumper, so I can't say the stock bumper is trash. I'm gonna take that back. The stock bumper is not trash. It's actually great. I will maybe put a side by side. Let me slide over a little bit. I'll put a side by side so y'all can see what it looked like before I got this grill. This is a modular bumper, and the good thing about this bumper is I could take these wings off right here. These little wings right here. This wing right here and this wing right here, I could take those off and I could turn it to a stubby bumper. So yeah, I could take that off and turn it to a stubby bumper, and you can just have the middle to look more stubby, and it'll make the Jeep look a lot more wider. So yeah, I definitely got that because I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to make it look a lot different. And I also got this winch, DV8 winch, as you can see, 1,200 pounds winch right here. This bad boy right here don't never get used. So that's what a lot of people be saying to the Jeep community. They like, why do you got a winch on your Jeep and you ain't never gonna use it? I just like the way it looks. I'm gonna be always honest with you. I just like the way it looks. That's why I got it. If you see me and you stuck in the snow, you stuck in the mud, I'm gonna keep on riding past you. I'm not gonna stop and help you. I'm gonna be always honest. I'm gonna keep on riding past you. I just got it for looks. Although it's definitely functional, as you can see, it's definitely functional. I just don't use it because that's not what I got it for. I got it for the look, you know, DV8 everything. So I wanted to get it for the look. I did not get it for helping people. You know what I'm saying? Also with this bumper, it has a little light right here, light bar, 10-inch light bar. I just haven't put it in right now. And also I wanted the bumper because of that, because that looks real nice to go with my light bar up top. And that's another mod while we talking. Jeep community don't like this mod because they say you never going off-roading. So why in the HELL do you need a light bar? Because I want one. I wanted it, so I got it. It looks good too. It definitely looks good. I'm gonna end up getting rid of the light bar because I'm about to go a different route. But as for now, I like the light bar. I like it. I mean, it looks good, and hey, I know I ain't never gonna use it. Only time I'm gonna use it is somebody in the front of me on the highway and they going too slow. I'm just gonna turn it on and blinding. No, I wouldn't do that, but I use it sometimes when I'm trying to see something in the front yard. When I'm pulling up to my house, I'll turn it on so I can make sure ain't nobody standing trying to do something in front of my house. Something, you know, somebody trying to break in the house, I hit him with that shine bright on them. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm about to let these shots out next too. So yeah, I like to use it because of that. But that's another mod. What else we got, T-Light? What else we got? These are armored DV8 armored Fender Flares. I got those Fender Flares. I got these. I got rid of the stock Fender Flares because I wanted something a more aggressive look. I know these are off-roading. These are off-road Fender Flares, but I got them because I wanted to look, you know. I like the look. And as I said, like I said, people in the Jeep community, they be like, look at this. I can't believe this guy got these dang armored Fender Flares and he ain't even using them. He just want to make his Jeep look like it's gonna go off-road, and it's never gonna go off-road. I just got them because I like them. They look good, and you can't tell me they don't look good. They make your Jeep look monstrous. Look how far them wheels sticking out. Ooh, that thing look like a god-darn beastie boy. Colossal. But yeah, I like them. As you can see, I love them. They really look good. And it's the turn signal right there for those who want to know. Where's the turn signal? It's right there. Yeah, and it works too. It looks good. But yeah, I definitely got those because of that. And the back ones, let me show you what the back ones look like. What is that back there, T-Light? That's my TRX for anybody want to know. Yeah, that's my TRX. His name is Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. But yeah, that's the back Fender Flares. As you can see, I'll let you get a nice little side angle. Look at that. Look good. Look how far that wheels stick out. Ooh wee, slanging that dirt. My big boy pavement monster. I'm a pavement monster. Yeah, but those are armored DV8 armored Fender Flares. Also, I got these inner fenders from DV8. You can't go off-roading with these. You can, but I wouldn't recommend it. Probably won't pop. They won't pop off, but they'll definitely get damaged. And you'll be done wasted $1,000 on some DV8 Fender Flares when you could have just set your butt at home and not did no off-roading. So I just got it for the look. You know what I'm saying? I got it for the look, so I had to do it, and I did it right. Look at the squirrel right there. Let's zoom in on him. Look at the squirrel. He bold too. You better not jump down here because I'm gonna knock your head off, big boy. But yeah, back to the Jeep. As you can see, looks real good. Also, while we looking over here, we got the DV8 Fender Flares, inner Fender Flares, and I got the 3-inch lift, 3.5-inch lift actually. Or was it 4-inch lift? Maybe it's a 4-inch lift. I don't know, but I know I had to lift it up. So I had to lift it up and come up off that stock suspension. Had to get off that. I needed something to lift up higher because I put 20-inch wheels, 26-inch wheels on it. I know. This right here really gets under the Jeep people's skin. It get up under their skin, and guess what? Just like the sun shining in my eyes, I don't care. I don't care. But yeah, they hate to see these big old wheels on this Jeep. When they see me riding with these big old wheels, all I get is head shaking. They be shaking their head like, I cannot believe this guy did this to this Jeep. He just ruined this Jeep. You should see the comments on my Instagram and TikTok, because I'm much bigger than on Instagram and TikTok than I am on YouTube. But I still do YouTube videos because I love y'all. But yeah. When they be on TikTok, they be like, you ruined the Jeep. I can't believe you put those big wheels on it. How could you do that? Guess what? I'm going bigger than that. Next year, I might go 28s. I might go 30s. Hold your breath. Don't get mad. Yeah, so I end up putting these big boy wheels on here. And I love it. 26-inch. These are fuel contra wheels for those one of those 26-inch wheels. I don't think they make these no more. I'm pretty sure they discontinued the 26-inch wheel. I think the biggest wheel they got now is like a 22, maybe a 24. Also, I got the 5th wheel too. I had to get the 5th wheel to go with the rest of the wheels, and that's the 5th wheel. And that cost me a pretty penny, but I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pay a pretty penny. And also, I got these light covers, DV8 light covers. These right here, I mean, like I said, I ain't going off-roading, so I don't really need to protect my lights. But I thought they looked good. They definitely look good. They definitely look great. I had to get them. So to set the Jeep off, you know what I'm saying? You got to say, you got to admit, they definitely look good. They definitely look good. And the Jeep community can be like, come on, why would you do that to your Jeep? Keep it stock. I can't do it. I can't do it. Also, I dual exhaust my Jeep. I put dual exhaust on the Jeep. As you can see, I put dual exhaust on it. Man, I'm gonna have to get up under here and sand that down again. That'll be the second time I had to do that. And rust keep coming in. I'm probably gonna just spray paint those black. And hopefully the rust don't come back. But it is what it is. That's about the only rust we gonna get, you know what I mean? It's a little rust, a little bit of rust. And a little bit of rust ain't never hurt nobody. I drive this, you dig? But yeah, I put dual exhaust. They're like, you can't go off-roading with no dual exhaust. Hi. Are y'all okay? Are y'all okay? I'm sorry. I ain't mean to drop y'all like that, man. I ain't mean to drop y'all like that. I ain't mean to drop y'all like that. I apologize. I did not mean to drop y'all like that. I apologize. Are you okay? Okay, let's get back to it. Now, if you ain't okay, go to the doctor, talk to him about it. But yeah, like I said, I got the dual exhaust, man. And as you know, they hate that. They hate that. You can't go off-roading with the dual exhaust. It's going to end up getting crushed. I ain't never going off-roading, so it ain't never going to get crushed. It ain't never going to get crushed unless I run over a piece of concrete or something like that. But other than that, it ain't going to get crushed, baby boy or baby girl. But yeah, I definitely put the dual exhaust on there. What else did I put on here that they don't like? Pretty much, that's probably pretty much it. Set the lift, all that, the dual exhaust. That's it, man. As you can see, I ain't do nothing inside. I end up putting that right there. That's for my dog, so it won't tear my armrest up. But that's pretty much it. But those are the mods that make people hate my Jeep so very, 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 very much. And I don't really care. I just figured I'd let y'all know why people hate my Jeep so much, because it's a mall crawl, and I wanted to show y'all the mods that I put on my Jeep Wrangler JL. This is a Jeep Sahara Unlimited JL. Yes, sir. So that's what I did to my Jeep to make the Jeep community hate my Jeep so much. Those are all the mods. And like I said, I will leave a link in the description for those who want to make their Jeep into a mall crawler. I got you, baby. Pow. But yeah, just playing. I got you. Make sure you just go into the description and you can see every mod that's on my Jeep, even some that I didn't even mention. But with that being said, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend about me. Like I said, make sure you tell a friend about me. Don't hesitate to tell a friend about me. Hell, tell your mama about me. Tell your grandmama about me. Tell your uncles and aunties about me. But yeah, y'all stay up. Y'all stay blessed. Stay positive. Stay away from negative people. Catch you some of your dreams. But with that being said, it is hot out here. It is hot out here in Indiana. But with that being said, shout out to the Werewolf Gang. No. Much love to the white crew. You already know how I feel about you. It's your boy, Tlites. Oh yeah, one last time. You know, not one last time, but let me let y'all see that fire Jeep. You know what I'm saying? That, ooh, that thing looks stupid doopid. Yes, sir. Hate my mall crawler Jeep community. I don't care. I love it. And it's your boy Tlites. I'm sliding on up out of here. Bye.
And that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me.